I know I said we wouldn't see the rear kitchen again until its debut at our Tampa Meet and Greet, but I was packing for said meet and greet and thought everyone would love to see the underneath storage of the rear kitchen. We've got a wide open space that not only fits 6 of our storage totes, but a kayak. We also have compartments on each side, which we'll take a closer look at in a moment. And you can get easy access with this wide Moride tray slide. Above is another compartment, nice and deep, great to keep outdoor equipment in so you don't track anything inside. We'll get a closer look at those compartments that are on each side of the rear kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek, and I can't wait to show you not only the interior, but the all-new features. Stay tuned, and we'll see you soon.